everyone, this is Fanny from Canaan. Very glad to see you again. Friends who are familiar with Canaan know that we have 8 subsidiaries. Today we are going to introduce Canaan Kaiser. Kaiser focuses on the field of biopharmaceuticals. We have professional and experienced technicians who are in this field for many years and also well versed in laws and regulations. From design, production, construction, project management, commissioning, and validation, after-sales service, and other aspects to meet users' requirements. So we can be your reliable partner by providing comprehensive solutions for pharmaceutical fluid systems that comply with GMP certification requirements, such as China, Europe, WHO, US, PIC, and NS. The main products provided by Kaiser include Purified water generator, multiple effect water still, pure steam generator, PW and WFI storage and distribution system, CIPM and SIP system, and preparation system for chemical medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, biopharmaceutical, etc. As we all know, since last year, the world has been under the threat of COVID-19. Now vaccine is a topic of concern to everyone in the world, and our Canaan Kaiser equipment is suitable for vaccine production water supply. For example, Sinovac, a well-known COVID-19 vaccine manufacturer in China, is our customer. It is a great honor for us today to invite Mr. Yi from Kaiser to participate in our live show. As the founder of Kaiser, Mr. Yi has more than 30 years of working experience in the field of freeze dryers and water systems. He was trained in the studies and quest for the technology of water system for a long time. In addition, Mr. Yi has personally experienced all stages of China's GMP development process, so he has a deeper understanding of GMP compliance. So as to ensure that Kaiser's equipment meets GMP compliance on the basis of complying with UIS of client. At the same time, with rich project management experience, Mr. Yi has also participated in many engineering projects of leading pharmaceutical companies in China. Okay, now let's welcome Mr. Yi. Hello, Mr. Yi. It's very good to see you here.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, have a seat.
Thank you.
Okay, as a founder of Kaiser, could you please make a general introduction of Kaiser to us?
Sure. Kaiser is not a company only. Mm-hmm. It's a team, mm-hmm. Many people working here. Those people have full experience mm-hmm. in the pharmacopoeia. Mm-hmm. They are all familiar with European pharmacopoeia, US mm-hmm. GMP. So that's meaning Kaiser, they can provide mm-hmm. the whole project mm-hmm. for the customer, mm-hmm. from the equipment mm-hmm. to the engineering, to designing, to the site work, management, validation, mm-hmm. and so on. Mm-hmm. So that's the Kaiser.
Okay, perfect. And just from the present dialogue, I noticed that the name of Kaiser, is there any special meaning of this name?
Sure, yeah. But Kaiser comes from the word Kaiser, K-A-S-C-E-N.
Okay.
We did a little bit of modification that mm-hmm. we use the S instead of Z. Mm-hmm. It has its own meaning. That's meaning we make the improvement mm-hmm. all the time. Okay. Even a very small one, mm-hmm. we do not reject any modification mm-hmm. if it's good for our product, for the customer. Mm-hmm. So that's why we use this as our name.
Company name.
But Kaixian uh-huh. is the translation from Kaiser
okay.
in Chinese.
In Chinese.
That's right.
Okay. And thank you so much, Mr. Yi, for giving us so many answers. Now let's return to this exhibition. What equipment has Kaiser taken to CIPM?
This time, yeah, in the pandemic period, we only bring 2 equipment to
Okay.
here. You will see later.
Okay.
It's one water still. This water still have a special designing because it's not only produce the water for injection, in the same time they can produce pure steam. So this is the combination. And for this purified water generator, we really redesign its distribution of the equipment.
Okay.
You will see it is quite different with our machine in the past.
Okay. And now let's have a look of this.
For sure. For more detail, I would like to ask Jack to do more introduction about that.
Okay, thank you so much today, Mr. Yi. Thank
you.
you.
Thank you. Oh, yeah.
你先戴好。
对，然后先拍一下。好。下面这边这个。
Okay, hello, Jack.
Hello, my
Very
Spencer.
welcome. And can you give us a brief introduction of this purified water generator?
Okay, no problem. And you can see this machine is a set of 6 ton per hour purified water generator. And because of the limited space, we just show the double pass RO plus EDI pass. But please note that the pretreatment part of purified water generator will also be available from us. The product water quality from our purified water generator is better than EP and USP standard. The conductivity of product water from our purified water generator will be less than 0.5 microsiemens per centimeters and 25 centigrade. TOC will be less than 50 ppb. Total number of bacteria will be less than 10 CFU per milliliter, and bacteria endotoxin will be less than 0.25 EU per milliliter. Meanwhile, we carry out the production and quality control in accordance with V model, and our purified water generator is also compliant with ASME BPE standard and ISPE GAMP5.
Okay, and what are the advantages of our purified water generator?
Our purified water generator adopts modular design with compact structure to realize easy and fast installation on site. It can realize the pasteurization for all parts and choose flexible sanitation methods. Adopt double softener design for alternate regeneration, effective control of microorganisms. There is no intermediate storage tank design between the first stage RO and the second stage RO to avoid the risk of secondary pollution. Two-way water supply and unique circulation methods prevent the growth of microorganisms in the whole system. Advanced automatic control system in line with 21 CFR Part 11 electronic records, electronic signature requirements. Constant pressure control mode prevents the system pressure from being too high in the circulating state and prolongs the service life of EDI. Flexible water supply reduce downtime, save energy, and prolong the equipment service life. Comply with the 3D principle to avoid the presence of deadline. The imported welding machine will be used for automatic welding and 100% endoscopic welding sample inspection. Carry out production and quality control in accordance with V model and form a complete document system that meets the requirements of US FDA, EU GMP, and WHO GMP.
Okay, so what is the capacity range that our purified water generator can provide?
Okay, as a matter of fact, we can provide 14 kinds of standardized purified water generators with different capacities, such as from the smallest 0.5 cubic meters per hour up to 30 cubic meters per hour. In addition, according to the specific needs of customers, we can also provide a variety of customized purified water generators. And you can see our purified water generator has a lot of advantages, and it can be customized. And about the control system, we use the Siemens PLC and the touch screen.
Okay.
And about the sanitation, we use the pasteurization process. And about the related components like the valves, flow meters, and the pump, and our membrane, we usually choose the state-of-art suppliers in the world.
Okay, now let's take a look at another equipment, multiple effect water still.
Okay.
Okay, now let's turn around. Now, Jack, can you tell us something about this equipment?
Okay, no problem. Our multiple effect water still is designed to meet CGMP requirements and is used to produce high quality water for injection. Its water quality meets the requirements of China, Europe, and the United States pharmaceutical. Adopt a filling film type evaporator and a unique separation technology for producing paragen-free distilled water. This design approach has been proven reliable in over 3,500 validated installations. In addition, Kaiser also owns a number of patents related to multiple effect water still and carries out continuous innovation so as to provide customers with first-class equipment which is always in the leading position in the industry. Okay, now you can see the pumps for our multiple effect water still. It's ground force. And before the ground force pump, it is a buffer tank, which will be inlet the purified water from the PW generator.
Okay, this one, right?
Yes, it's buffer tank. And this is the total inlet pipeline from the PW generator.
Now, can you tell us some its features?
Okay. Our multiple effect water still has the following main features: unique 3-stage separation technology, unique continuous removal of non-condensable greases in accordance with HTM 2010, with the concept of risk prevention design of energy saving, water distribution board, double tube sheet expansion design, standard industrial control system. Plant steam adopts proportional control for automatic control. The water inlet is flexible and the water production of the distiller is controlled according to the demand of the storage tank, and reduce the frequent shutdown of distillers to save energy and reduce emissions. It can produce both distilled water and pure steam output is about 10% of the current distillation capacity. Carry out production and quality control in accordance with V model and form a complete document system that meets the requirements of US FDA, EU GMP, and WHO GMP. High standard WFI specification. The endotoxin will be less than 0.01 EU per milliliter.
And what is its capacity? capacity range?
Okay. Actually, according to the customer's plant steam specification, Kaiser can provide multiple effect water spill with 0.5 tons per hour, 1 ton per hour, 3 tons per hour, and up to 11 tons per hour.
Okay.
And now you can see this is the valve which will control the output, the pure steam. So this machine can produce the pure steam together with the WFI, but it cannot produce them together. The total output of the pure steam will be 10% of the capacity of WFI capacity. And this machine, the output WFI capacity will be around 280 to 1,100 kilograms per hour. So that means the output pure steam will be around 100 kilometers per hour. And this is the control system. We use the Siemens HMI touch screen, and also you can see the paperless recorder and the metal tolerant conductivity meters. And this machine is a kind of all stainless steel skid type. And
Okay. Today, I am very grateful to Mr. Yi and Jack for introducing us so much about the pharmaceutical water equipment. Due to limited space, we can only show you these two equipment today. I hope that there will be more opportunities for showing our equipment and introducing them to you. Of course, if you have any questions or you are interested in our products and want to know more information, you can leave your message in our live show or on our official website. We'll reply you as soon as possible. Remember to follow us on Facebook and YouTube. We will update videos and our company latest news. Hope you have a nice day. Wish that the day of face-to-face meeting in exhibition with you will be coming soon. Thank you so much for joining us. Bye bye.
thank
See you
you.
next
Bye bye.
time.
See you. Bye bye.